Wondering how to track and pay your credit card bills? Download the Cred app where you can pay and track your credit card statements without any delay. Get wonderful rewards. Download the app using the link present in the description where you will be getting a free Uber ride and many more. Hey guys, this is Amar from Referrals for You, where we refer and of course your preferred. So guys, today I'm going to unbox Logitech wireless mouse, which I bought it from Flipkart for just rupees around 500 and in Big Billion Days, and that's also this is how it is in the packaging, and it came from Karnataka basically, and it reached here. And so without any delay, let's get started. So let me open the box first. So guys, this is how the mouse, B175 plug-in plug-out mouse and wireless mouse, and so this is how it is. So let me keep this all aside. And so guys, this is a mouse, and let me keep, and yeah, on top we have B175 plug-in and plug-out mouse, and so like that. And here we have USB and 12 meters. It will work most probably. On top we have just barcoding and everything. It is black in color. On this side we have mouse. This is how the mouse look like and everything. And on the back we have, it was manufactured from Hong Kong, that is basically from China, and so like that. The MRP of this is $995, but I got it for around 500, and it's B175. It was written here, and on the bottom we have many things written here, and it has 3 years limited hardware warranty. So 3 years is pretty good actually. So let me open this even. So guys, this is how the mouse look like, and so let me keep this aside. And so guys, this is how the packaging, how the user manuals and everything is written here, and you have to insert a battery basically for this, and yeah, some other important safety guide and instructions. Let me keep this aside. So let me focus towards the mouse. And so guys, this is how it is. It was written something, so we have to remove this, and so let me remove this cover first. So this is how it is, and this comes with a normal basic battery, 15 amperes basically, and 1.5 volts. Let me keep this aside. And here we have this Bluetooth receiver where you have to connect to your MacBook and everything, etc. So let me keep this here and plug this. This is actually invisible, so it was here, it was written here clearly that it's invisible basically. It means that there's no light is going to be work with it. And so let me now connect this to my MacBook, and let me test whether it's working with this or not. They are showing invisible, but I don't recommend this mouse for gamers or continuous laptop users, because for me, like it doesn't fit to my entire hand. But whereas to my another Logitech wide mouse, there it will be, like you can see the difference. So it is going to fit my entire hand, where I can work for more time, and here it will be very less, because on the fingers it is going to be stressed a lot. So that's why I don't like it. Is not that recommended for regular mouse users basically. And yeah guys, that's all. So let me now connect to my Mac and get back to you. So guys, now I connected my mouse to here, and you can check from this part to my MacBook, and you can check it here. And so let me open my Mac and show you how it is going to work. So guys, just now I connected to my MacBook, and you can see clearly how the mouse is functioning properly, and you can check with this also. So this is how the mouse is functioning. So I'm going to edit basic videos, and you can see how it is, and everything was perfect. And this video also will be edited with this mouse itself, so that you can see the accuracy of it. And yeah guys, that's all. So this is how it is, and so guys, this is how it is. And on top we have Logitech branding, and there's a keyboard mouse, like there's a scroll down roller here, and on this is how it looks. And on the back we have on and off buttons, battery and everything. That's all. So this is how the mouse looks like and everything. Yeah guys, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel for further upcoming videos. If you have any questions, please mention me in the comment section below. I'll be replying you as early as possible. And remember, the best buy link will be available in the description below. Thank you guys. Bye bye.